Hi guys, Elizabeth here. Thanks for joining me. I received my Walmart beauty box for winter 2018. I usually get two, but I found the last couple times the second one doesn't come till like 3 weeks after the first one. So I'll show you this first one. It is the classic box, I believe. I get it under my name. I put one in with one version of my name saying I'm 50, one version of my name saying I'm 20, because in the beginning they pretty much broke it up by age, and I think they kind of still do, even though I think you can request which box you want now. So they're $5 every quarter. Oh, sorry about the jiggling of the camera. I'm trying to put you on the tripod here. $5 every quarter. That's for the shipping and handling. Technically the box is free, but the shipping and handling is $5. And let's get started. This is the one where I say I'm 50. It generally comes out to be the classic box. It says, celebrate your beauty. Your beauty is a gift to the world. And then it has like the address, the beautybox.walmart.com, if you wish to purchase it. You can also go on their website and type in beauty box. Enter to win a $100 gift card if you go to the survey. But I'm so excited. I have opened this yesterday, and you'll tell because check out these nails. Open this beautiful paper, and here are all the items in the box. So the first item is the Tresemme Fresh Start. It is a new formula, no visible residue, volumizing dry shampoo. I am wearing it today. And actually, I put a hair mask in last night, which usually flattens my hair pretty badly, and this really made a difference. So I am enjoying this product. It does have a little bit of scent. Lots of scents kick up my asthma. This one doesn't, but if you are allergic to a lot of scents, you might want to hold off on that. So the Tresemme Fresh Start, it is a travel size 1.15 ounce, which I think is pretty decent. So the next item is what I have on my nails today. It is P2 is the brand, the Nude Benefit Polish. Working Out with Vicky is what it's called. Now this is a very, very, very sheer polish. To get it opaque white like this, and I did it last night at midnight, so you know, I'm not saying I did the best job in the world, but to get it opaque, it did take 4 coats. So I think it's supposed to be a sheer polish, but you guys know I'm not like really into the sheer ones, because if you can't hardly see it, why don't I just put top coat on my nails and have shiny nails, and then not worry about chipping. But it is a very thin polish, and I am going to keep it. I only have 2 other polishes in my collection, but no, I'm not thrilled with having to put it 4 coats on, and I only put it on last night, so I don't know the staying power yet. So I thought that was really cool to get a nail polish in this box. I was very happy. When I get the beauty boxes, I want a makeup product, usually like eyes or cheeks or lips, but I'm happy to get a nail polish. This I've received before, the Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal. It's got coconut oil, cocoa butter, and African shea butter. I am absolutely, I don't know if you can see the lighting, my wrists get really red and raw this time of year, so I am definitely, as soon as this video is over, I'm putting this on. We also received the plackers. This is something I received before. Micromint. What these are those flossing strips. These are the kind of flossing strips I use. The ones that already have the string between the plastic blades. 12 dental flossers in a travel case, which is great because I am going to be traveling a couple times this in the first half of this year. So I am definitely going to take these along. So far, it's everything I am going to use. We have another that for me is a repeat, this Donkey Milk Sleeping Mask. I'm not sure how well that's showing. Now, it looks like milk from the donkey, but I don't know if that's like the name of a plant or whether it's really milk from a donkey. And the only reason it says nutrient-rich, quote, white gold, unquote, known commonly as donkey milk. So that's what makes me unsure, because of the known commonly as donkey milk. Why, if it was true donkey milk, why wouldn't it always be known as donkey milk? So I don't really know. If you guys know for sure, let me know down below whether that's donkey milk or a plant that refers to it. It's actually, I have used it before. You put it on, you sleep in it, and then you wash it off in the morning or rinse it off in the morning, and I liked it. So we have 2 papers today. The first is the Ultimate Nail Perfection under $5. This is referring to the P2 Cosmetics nail polish. It's just a paper discussing it. And then it has the Smile with Style placards, which gives me a 35 cents off my next purchase with this coupon. And the coupon is good through December 31st, 2018. So that's nice. So I got a coupon for 35 cents of talking paper, the Donkey Milk sleeping mask, which I will use, the placards, dental flossers in a carry case, which I am definitely going to travel with, the Gold Bond hand cream for visibly dry skin, which I'm using as soon as this video is over, the P2 nail polish, a little bit thin for me, but I am going to work with it and see how long it lasts, and the Tresemme dry shampoo, the volumizing dry shampoo. So let me know what you thought of the winter box. I am pretty happy. Usually it has to have a cosmetic, but to me a nail polish takes the place of a cosmetic, and I'm going to use everything in it. If you like unboxings, I also unbox the Play by Sephora box. I do project pans. I do decluttering. So if you're interested in those kind of things, hit subscribe if you haven't already. If you're one of my regular subscribers, hi guys. And I think I have filmed a giveaway, not of this box, but of other things. And I haven't had time in my schedule to put it up. So I think I'm going to put this video up and go ahead and put that other one up because I don't want to wait any longer. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will talk with you later. Bye.